This weekend we're making pan pizza, and for that there's only one pizza sauce that comes to mind, and that is Pizza Hut's. And so today we're going to take a stab at the Pizza Hut recipe that I found online, and it's a really simple one, and hoping it turns out great. For this, we have our ingredients all set. We're going to first take a 1 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. We then have a 1/4 cup of water. I'm going to pour it in the can just to get any remaining sauce out. For our sugar, it calls for 1 teaspoon, but we're going to do a good heapful of sugar on it, and just from some of the comments I've seen out there. Then we're going to go to some of our dry ingredients. We're going to do a 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano. I only have a 1/4 of a teaspoon, and so I'll do it twice. Then we're going to do a 1/2 teaspoon of dried basil leaves. We're going to do a 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme. Then we're going to do a 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder. And a 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And then we're going to do 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper. And our last ingredient is just going to be 1 whole bay leaf. While our pan is heating up, we're going to get our ingredients mixed in really well. And now we're going to let our sauce sit and come up to a boil. We're going to continue to stir the sauce throughout the process just to make sure none of it's sticking or burning to the pan and that it heats evenly through it. Now that our sauce has come up to a boil, we're going to cover it and turn down our heat to let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes to let it thicken. Now that we've let our sauce sit, we can see it thickened up, and we're going to take it off the heat and let it cool. and then give it a try. And I have to say this came out exactly what I was hoping for.